I take one ingredient from the kitchen and add it to my floor cleaning water. The floor shines like never before. If you're into DIY floor cleaning and you're tired of streaks, dust, and shoe marks that seem to appear out of nowhere, especially in the kitchen or hallway, this trick is for you. Grab a glass and drop in 3 black tea bags. Pour boiling water over them and let it steep for a few minutes so the tea gets really strong. Then let it cool down so you can safely add it to a bucket. Pour the tea into the bucket, add about 1 quart of water and stir. Dip your mop into the mixture, then wring it out well. Mop the floors as usual, slowly and without rushing, so you pick up all the dust and dirt from the surface. If you're wondering how to mop without streaks and how to get rid of streaks on the floor, black tea is the best solution. It works as a natural floor polish because it contains tannins, which gently smooth the surface and make streaks much less visible. Your floor looks fresher and more polished faster. In a moment, you'll see it's clean with a subtle shine, like after a deep clean, but without harsh chemicals. It's a simple trick for a glossy floor, perfect when you want to refresh your whole home quickly and get that wow effect. Put your mop in a bag and you'll get rid of dirt and streaks on your floors for good. Simply tie the mop in a bag and you'll eliminate the issue of dirty floors once and for all. We often leave our mops dirty and damp when we shouldn't, which can lead to the growth of mold and bacteria. But I've got a genius trick that will clean it thoroughly. You only need a few ingredients that you probably already have at home. Grab a garbage bag, put the mop inside, and sprinkle 1 scoop of laundry detergent over it. Next, pour some dishwashing liquid onto the mop. Tie the bag and leave it for about 30 minutes. After that, take the mop out and rinse it in a bucket of clean water. You can repeat this process twice, and I guarantee your mop will stay clean for a long time. Give it a try. You'll see that in just a few minutes, your mop will be spotless and as good as new. This simple trick will not only extend its lifespan, but also help you say goodbye to streaky floors. Don't throw away your old mop. Don't waste money on a new one when you can easily refresh it. A dirty mop doesn't clean, it spreads dirt and leaves streaks. Regular cleaning removes accumulated dust, dirt, and bacteria, making your floor truly clean. Start by removing the mop head and preparing a large bowl or bucket. Pour 100 milliliters of floor cleaner, which will remove dirt and leave a fresh scent. Add 100 milliliters of vinegar. It has antibacterial properties, dissolves grease, and effectively eliminates streaks. Then, add 500 milliliters of hot water and soak the mop in this mixture. Let it sit for an hour to allow the dirt to dissolve. While waiting, clean the bucket. Spray it with cleaning fluid, scrub with a sponge, and rinse thoroughly. After an hour, remove the mop, pour a small amount of cleaner over it, and scrub with a brush. Finally, rinse thoroughly and leave it to dry. Done. Your mop is clean, fresh, and looks like new. Repeat this process regularly, and cleaning will become easier with streak-free floors. Grab a bucket and the mop you usually use to clean the floor. In the bucket, prepare a mixture. Pour about 1 liter of hot water into the bucket. It shouldn't be boiling, but still hot. Add 2 cups of vinegar, which has disinfecting and cleaning properties, leaving no streaks and removing bacteria from surfaces. Next, add 50 grams of baking soda, which also disinfects. Then add 2 tablespoons of dish soap. This mixture removes dirt, grime, stains, and bad odors. Mix everything together. Soak the mop in the bucket, as you would when cleaning the floor. Squeeze out the excess water and start cleaning the bathtub. You can clean it thoroughly without bending over. The tub will be perfectly clean. Rinse it with water and let it dry. If there's any excess water left, use a microfiber cloth to wipe it away. You'll see that the tub will shine with cleanliness like never before. This trick is not only simple, but also very effective. Just wrap your broom in plastic wrap. Start sweeping all the cracks and hard-to-reach areas. Dust, dirt, and hair will stick to the wrap instead of the bristles. It works great at home, in the garage, and on a dirty balcony. When you're done, simply remove the wrap, and the broom stays clean and ready to use again. Apply shaving foam to a broom. While we usually associate it with shaving, this foam has another brilliant use. All you need is a regular broom, which most of us already have at home. Apply the foam to both sides of the broom head, making sure all the bristles are fully covered. This setup is a game changer for older people or anyone with back problems. Simply flip the broom and spread the foam over your tiles and shower walls. The foam works like a soapy cleaner with a higher potassium hydroxide content, so it's incredibly effective. But that's not all. Leave it on for 20 minutes. After that, attach a microfiber cloth to the broom and secure it with a rubber band. You can now dry the surface quickly without streaks or water spots. The result? Sparkling clean tiles and bathroom surfaces with a fresh scent that lingers for days. This method makes cleaning easier, faster, and much more comfortable. This is the secret to a shiny floor that your neighbors will envy. Ever since I started using this mixture, my home has stayed flawlessly clean for many weeks. Start by preparing a large mop bucket and pouring in 1 gallon of lukewarm water. This will be the base. This secret formula was shared with me by the cleaning lady of the most famous hotel in the world. Now it's time for the first ingredient. Baking soda effectively removes dirt, neutralizes unpleasant odors, and works as a natural cleaning agent. Add exactly 7 ounces. The next ingredient is isopropyl alcohol. It instantly cuts through grease, evaporates without leaving streaks, and also has disinfecting properties. Pour in 2 cups. Now it's time for vinegar. Once added, your floor will be free from bacteria, beautifully polished, and free of stains. And finally, the most important ingredient, fabric softener. It not only gives your floor a wonderful fresh fragrance, but also makes it shine like a mirror. Now soak your mop thoroughly in the mixture, wring out the excess liquid, and start cleaning as usual. The effect? 0 streaks and a floor so shiny that you can literally see your reflection. Wipe your baseboards with this, and dust won't settle on them anymore. This brilliant trick will help you keep your baseboards clean. Everyone in my family asks how to clean baseboards. When dust settles on baseboards and furniture, you often have to wipe them down. Today, I'll show you what to do on surfaces in your home so that dust and dirt don't accumulate as quickly. The first step is to thoroughly clean the baseboards and furniture to remove all the current dust. Then use a small amount of one liquid. You probably have it at home. It's the key player. It will make it so you don't have to dust as often. Prepare a microfiber cloth and apply a small amount of the liquid. Wipe the areas where you have the most problems with dust. How does it work? Let me explain. It's fabric softener. It repels dust thanks to its anti-static properties. You could say it acts like a protective coating. Even if it sounds unbelievable, it's true. You won't notice anything applied to these areas. It really works wonders. Try it at home, and you'll be pleased.